This community was traumatized by a juvenile white supremacist who was fueled with hate, radicalized by social media platforms on the internet.
Did social media radicalize the man who killed 10 people in a mass shooting at a Tops grocery store in Buffalo? That's what the Court of Appeals here in Rochester will decide. It's hearing arguments today from lawyers for those social media sites and from companies that sell gun parts. Those attorneys are looking to dismiss cases against their companies filed by families of the victims. News 10 NBC investigative reporter Jennifer Lukey listened in on the hearing today and joins us live to break it down for us.
Yeah, Nikki, the hearing is actually still underway at the State Appeals Court, which is just down the road from me here along East Avenue. What we know right now is that the families of the 10 people who were shot and killed are suing these social media companies, claiming Peyton Gendron, the man who carried out the racially motivated attack, was radicalized by their sites. They claim social media fed him increasingly racist and violence-inducing content, and that the posts he viewed provided training, access to equipment, and the expertise he needed to plan and execute the mass shooting, which happened in May of 2022. Attorneys for Meta, Discord, Snapchat, and a handful of other social media companies argued that they are not responsible and they are not liable.
A premeditated murderous rampage is not a foreseeable risk of having a social media service. There are billions on billions of interactions on these services and hundreds of millions of people who use them without going on violent, murderous rampages.
Now, lawyers for the manufacturer of a gun magazine lock also asked for the case against their company to be dismissed. Gendron removed that lock to increase the magazine's capacity before carrying out the shooting with an AR-style rifle. A lower court has already said that the case against these companies can move forward. The reason they're here in Rochester is because that's where the state appellate court is, and those are the judges who are hearing this case right now. They will issue a written decision as to whether this lawsuit can move forward or it will be dismissed in the coming weeks. Nikki?
Jen, thank you. A number of family members of the victims of that mass shooting are in the courtroom today. Our Christy Blake is working to speak with them. We'll check in with her new at 4:30.